Someone recently asked us how creative writing and grammar connect. Isn't creative writing about not worrying about grammar? Isn't that how we become creative? Well, yes and no. As Cozy Grammar's creator Marie Rackham believed, and as I too believe, grammar, properly taught and joyfully learned, can actually enhance our ability to be creative. It's like picking raspberries. The part that we see, that we relish in summer, are the berries. They are like the stories and poems we might write, the fruit, so to speak, of our work. But without the structure of the entire plant, the roots below the earth, the stalk, the leaves, we would never end up with any berries. Just as without verbs and nouns and adverbs and adjectives and all the other elements of language, its structure, its grammar, we would never end up with any stories or poems. The trick is teaching and learning grammar in such a way that it enhances our creativity, rather than stifling it. That's why I suggest pairing lessons about grammar with creative writing activities. For instance, think of all the different ways you could describe a raspberry. Not just how it looks, but how it smells, tastes, feels in your mouth, even how it sounds between your teeth. Write all of those ways down, and then look at the words that you've used. How many of them are adjectives? How many of them are phrases that are acting like adjectives? Doing something like this can awaken you to how interesting and delicious adjectives and grammar can be. Thanks for watching. And if you have a question you'd like to see us answer, visit Ask Cozy Grammar at cozygrammar.com. We'd be glad to hear from you. You didn't see that, did you? I can't help eating them as I pick them, but I better pick some more if I want to fill this basket.